There's a setting hidden inside some modern Android phones, and it could stop you from opening a scam link before the website even loads. Most people don't even know it's enabled on their device. What's scary? Phishing links today can look almost identical to real websites. A message from your bank, a shipping company, even a YouTube or WhatsApp link could be completely fake. But Google has started adding a newer protection layer called Android Safe Browsing. And on some phones, you'll also find a feature inside it called Live Threat Protection. The idea behind it is to detect dangerous links and suspicious websites faster and more intelligently. Let me show you where it is quickly. Open, Settings. Then go to Security and Privacy. More security settings. And look for Android Safe Browsing. Some phones may show it under a slightly different name, depending on the manufacturer. When you open it, you'll see the basic protection enabled. And if you see Use Live Threat Protection, that means your phone has a newer layer of scanning for suspicious links and dangerous websites, especially phishing pages, fake links, and newly created scam websites. This feature is not available on every Android phone, and it usually appears more on newer Samsung devices, Pixel phones, and some devices running newer Android and Google Play services updates. And if you don't see it on your phone, that doesn't mean your device is hacked or there's a problem. It may simply mean the update hasn't reached your device yet. Make sure this setting is enabled on your device if it isn't already. Finally, now tell me in the comments, did this feature actually appear on your phone or not? And if this is your first time seeing this setting, leave a like and subscribe because there are many Android settings running on people's phones without them even knowing what they do.